The Berlin Wall was a physical as well as ideological barrier that divided Berlin to East and West Berlin from 1961 to 1989. It was constructed by the German Democratic Republic of East Germany in 1961, who referred to it as the Anti-Fascist Protection Rampart. On the other hand, the West Berlin city government referred to it as the Wall of Shame, as in a restriction on freedom of movement. Also, it symbolized a physical marker of the Iron Curtain. The Eastern Bloc was the group of socialist states of Central and Eastern Europe. So, after the World War II in Europe that remained of pre-war Germany, west of the Oder-Neisse line was divided into 4 occupation zones, where each zone is controlled by one of the 4 occupying Allied powers: the US, UK, France, and Soviet Union. The capital of Germany, Berlin, was the seat of the Allied Control Council and also was divided into 4 parts despite its geographical position that was fully within the Soviet zone. In practice, the wall served to prevent the massive immigration and defection that had marked East Germany and the Communist Eastern Bloc during the post-World War II period. Before, 3.5 million East Germans circumvented Eastern Bloc immigration restrictions, crossing over the border from East Berlin into West Berlin, which enabled a further travel towards Western countries. During the period of the Berlin Wall, around 5,000 of people attempted to escape over the wall, with an estimated death toll ranging to 136 to more than 200 in and around Berlin. The wall was more than 140 kilometers long, including concrete walls, metal mesh fence, cross attachment, remains of house fronts, light strip, contact and signal fence, border patrol, observation towers, and so on. Since its creation in 1961, the Berlin Wall went through 4 versions: wire fence and concrete block wall, improved wire fence, improved concrete wall, and border wall 75. With the last version being the final and most sophisticated version. Strategically, the wall was constructed in somewhat weaker standards so that in case of war it could be easily broken through. Official demolition of the Berlin Wall, that took 2 years, began in 1990. Unity and justice and freedom.